What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm reviewing the brand new Air Jordan 6 Chinese New Year. First off, I want to give a huge thank you to Jordan Brand for having me out to this event and getting to check out these sneakers early. It's a crazy opportunity and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for tuning in today guys. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at @RealSethFowler if you haven't yet. But with all that being said, let's get into it. Of course, it's a new year, which means there's going to be a new Chinese New Year Air Jordan. And this time around, it's the Air Jordan 6 that's getting the Chinese New Year treatment. This Air Jordan 6 drops in China on January 13th, and then in the rest of the world on February 1st. The retail price will be $250, and if you're trying to pick up a pair for yourself, they'll be available at all Nike retailers. Starting off with the upper of the sneaker, you've got this black nubuck accent on the toe box and on some of the mid panels of the shoe. Continuing back on the sneaker, you've got these nylon mesh panels with printed floral detailing. A really cool touch is that in between the printed details, you've also got these gold embroidered flowers, which really make the shoe pop. Moving up the sneaker, you've got these flat black laces and a black tongue. Of course, like all Air Jordan 6s, you've got your black neoprene patch, this time around with the gold Jumpman embroidered into it. At the top of the laces, you've got one of my favorite details, which is this gold lace lock. I think it looks really, really clean, and it really makes the shoe pop. Inside the shoe, you've got a black sock liner and a red insole. As for sizing, this Air Jordan 6 should fit just like any other Air Jordan 6, so if you have any in your collection, go the same size that you usually go. For me, that's true to size. For you guys, it might be a little bit different, but as I always suggest, if you have a chance to try the shoe on first, make sure to do that to make sure the sizing is right for you. Moving around to the heel of the sneaker, you've got this really cool embroidered detail. You've got a red flower with green leaves, and then of course white accent flowers with some gold trim. That's a really sick touch. Unlike most Air Jordan 6s, there isn't any perforations around the ankle. Instead, you've got another gold accent. Moving around to the back of the sneaker, you've got your Jumpman in gold with the Air text underneath it. You've also got a black TPR heel tab with the gold accent. Moving down the sneaker, you've got your standard Air Jordan 6 midsole. This time around, it's in matte black. Continuing with the gold Chinese New Year theme, of course, you've got your accents in gold. And finally, moving to the outsole of the shoe, you've got these milky semi-translucent accents on the sides, and then also this black center panel with a red Jumpman. Overall, the 2018 Chinese New Year Air Jordan 6 is a pretty hot shoe. The overall black colorway of the sneaker makes it really easy to match with a lot of things, and the gold detailing really makes it pop. I'm definitely gonna have to try and pick up a pair of these for myself. That's not a question. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the Air Jordan 6 Chinese New Year and whether you're planning to pick up a pair for yourself when they drop. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to me, Seth Fowler, if you want to see more content just like this, and follow me in all other forms of social media. The links will be in the description below.